It's just gonna fall apart. They got one was really hanging over the house. Look at this shit. That's just fucking loose. I got my sword there. When that happened, usually when that happened, the last time we had that bad rain. See back here, look. You gotta go. It's starting to see out. Look, huh? Back a little. What they doing? Oh, they shut that. They heard you coming.
Oh, I think they heard that.
Look, you gotta do that, man. See